FDA approves PTC Therapeutics' new drug for rare metabolic disorder. Imagine the relief for families affected by a rare metabolic disorder, knowing that a new treatment has just been approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. PTC Therapeutics has received the green light for their innovative oral drug designed to tackle a condition that impairs the body's ability to break down specific amino acids. This approval is a game changer for the company, which has been facing revenue declines in its top-selling therapies for Duchenne muscular dystrophy due to regulatory scrutiny and patent expiration. But here's where it gets controversial. While this new drug, Sephience, offers hope, it also raises questions about the future of PKU treatment and the potential impact on existing therapies. Let's dive in to understand the significance of this development and what it means for patients and the pharmaceutical industry. The FDA's approval allows PTC Therapeutics to expand its product portfolio, which is crucial as its current top-selling therapies, Translarna and Emflaza, face declining revenues. These therapies have been under regulatory scrutiny and are losing patent protection, making the approval of Sephience a timely and strategic move for the company. Sephience is an oral therapy designed for both children and adults suffering from phenylketonuria (PKU), a genetic condition caused by a mutation in the gene responsible for producing the enzyme that breaks down phenylalanine. This amino acid is found in most protein-containing foods. PKU is a serious condition that, if left untreated, can lead to toxic levels of phenylalanine in the body, resulting in irreversible brain damage, intellectual disability, and other neurological issues. All newborns in the United States are screened for PKU shortly after birth to catch the condition early and prevent these severe outcomes. Sephience works by enhancing the activity and stability of the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, PAH, helping patients manage their condition more effectively. Without treatment, phenylalanine can accumulate to dangerous levels, causing significant health problems. The overall incidence of PKU in the U.S. is about 1 in 15,000 live births, according to the National Institutes of Health. Treatment options for PKU have traditionally included a lifelong low phenylalanine diet, special medical formulas, and drugs like BioMarin Pharmaceuticals' Kuvan and Palynziq, which are approved for patients who respond to them. And this is the part most people miss. While these treatments have been effective for some, they are not without their challenges. The strict dietary restrictions and the need for continuous medical formulas can be burdensome for patients and their families. Sephience offers a new approach that could potentially ease some of these burdens. Jefferies analyst Kelly Shee predicts that Sephience could achieve peak annual sales of $741 million by 2030. This projection highlights the potential market impact of the drug and its significance for PTC Therapeutics. The approval was based on a late-stage trial where the drug significantly reduced blood phenylalanine levels by an average of 63%. Most patients reached guideline-recommended levels, and some were even able to ease their strict diets while maintaining control over their condition. Sephience was previously approved in Europe last month and is currently under review in several other countries, including Japan and Brazil. This global interest underscores the drug's potential to make a significant difference in the lives of PKU patients worldwide. But what does this mean for the future of PKU treatment? Will Sephience become the new standard, or will it coexist with existing therapies? And how will this approval impact the broader pharmaceutical landscape? These are questions that spark debate and discussion among healthcare professionals, patients, and industry experts. We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Sephience will revolutionize PKU treatment, or do you have concerns about its long-term effects? Let's hear your perspective. PTC Therapeutics announces FDA approval of Sephience for PKU treatment. Imagine a groundbreaking moment in the world of rare diseases, where a new treatment not only meets the needs of patients, but sets a new standard for care. PTC Therapeutics has just announced a significant milestone with the FDA approval of Sephience, sepiapterin, for treating phenylketonuria (PKU) in both children and adults. But here's where it gets really exciting. This approval extends to patients as young as 1 month old and encompasses all subtypes of PKU that respond to sepiapterin. This isn't just another addition to the market, it's a substantial leap forward. The approval is backed by robust data from the Phase 3 Affinity trial and its long-term extension, showing both efficacy and safety. Sephience has already gained marketing authorization in Europe and is currently under review in Japan and Brazil, positioning it as a global player in the PKU treatment landscape. The impact of this approval cannot be overstated. PKU is a rare genetic disorder that affects about 1 in 10,000 to 15,000 newborns in the U.S., and managing it requires lifelong dietary restrictions and close monitoring to prevent serious health complications. Existing treatments, while effective, can be challenging for patients to adhere to. Sephience offers a promising alternative that could simplify and enhance the lives of PKU patients. But here's where things get a bit controversial. While the FDA approval is undoubtedly a win for patients, some might question the broader implications for the market. With Sephience's broad label and strong clinical data, it stands to capture a significant portion of the PKU market. This could shift the dynamics for other treatments like Kuvan and Palynziq, raising questions about how the market will evolve. The approval also highlights the importance of rare disease research and development. Companies like PTC Therapeutics are crucial in bringing innovative solutions to conditions that often lack attention and investment. Their commitment to developing Sephience demonstrates a dedication to improving the lives of those affected by rare diseases. And this is the part most people miss, the human element behind these approvals. For every data point and clinical trial, there are real people waiting for better treatments. The approval of Sephience means hope for thousands of families dealing with PKU. It's a reminder that advancements in medicine aren't just numbers and studies, they're real-life improvements in quality of life. What do you think? Does the approval of Sephience mark a turning point in PKU treatment, or is there still room for improvement? Share your thoughts in the comments below.